Hi. I'm here to talk to you about
the eco-friendly motorist movement.
Exploding prices are burning hard on cash of motorists as we speak. More and more motorists are complaining of headaches from burnout wallets because of expensive engine parts, overpriced motor oil. Meanwhile, there is a movement rushing to their rescue. The eco-friendly motorist movement is rescuing thousands from the explosion of high prices for little value. Reports are coming in of big cash savings, boosted power and performance, increased gas mileage, cleaner oil, and, of course, cooler heads. We investigated what exactly is this movement doing to rescue motorists. We discovered the movement is using revolutionary, super-concentrated fuel catalyst and pressure lubricants. These include A. Fuel Max Plus B. Engine Lifetime Treatment, C. Super Duty Oil Stabilizer. These are high-performance, earth-friendly lubricants and fuel technologies. That's why so many motorists are being rescued. Because the formulations are all plant-based, biodegradable and food-grade, they are friendly to the environmental, addressing pollution and water shortages. These offer bottom-line savings by reducing engine wear, and thus extends equipment life, increasing productivity, lowering energy and fuel consumption, ultimately preventing downtime and lowering costly maintenance. Tons of thanks and testimonies are pouring in from motorists. Your vehicle should burn fuel efficiently and use it economically, not burn holes in your wallet. Put an end to this trauma now. Join the movement. Call 868-288-1108. Visit www.enginewarranty.org.
Hope you found it useful. For more information, please click the link in description.